ignore you all night, all night. Know that I'ma declare your calls right, but I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know, I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how I stand now, but I guess
I'm literally filming this video in the midst of a freaking tornado in the winter. Say, I'm kidding. It ain't no tornado, but it's giving like hurricane. It's giving like tropical storm in the winter, and I'm like, it's December. I mean, it's January. Where is the freaking snow? So we installing Sensational BareLace. This is a glueless, what is this? A glueless lace wig. So I'm not gonna be wearing a glueless though. I'm gonna actually lay it down with some adhesive, but you can wear it glueless. Sensational BareLace. And the packaging, baby, Sensational did that.
Look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, in some me time, you know what you want.
It said lace so thin it looks like skin. So this is what the lace is giving, okay? This is what it looks like. And baby, when I say this, I don't know what kind of lace this is, but this lace is thin. It's giving, they might not be lying. So let's take this. Oh, now I'm scared because if the lace is too thin, my cap is gonna show. Okay. So it does have some stretch to it. Oh, baby. Sensational. It feels so good. Like, y'all know sometimes with synthetic wigs, that lace can feel a little rough. This is soft and so supple. Hold on, y'all, let me put the band around here. So yeah, I'm excited. Look at this hairline. Sensational. Baby, stop playing with me. Sensational. Sensational is not playing, y'all. This lace, the way it's plugged, the way it's freaking plugged. Y'all did the dang thing with this lace, baby. She's freaking laid. But I pushed my cat back some so it won't be seen. But this is probably the thinnest lace of synthetic that I've seen. So with that being said, I'm already hyped. Like, oops, I forgot to tell y'all the color. Now I got a secret highlight chestnut color. I didn't just want jet black, so I went in and picked the color where it's not doing too much. So let's put it to the front to see what she giving. Uh-oh, it's a tangle back here. I don't think y'all can see it, but all right. So this is the length of the wig. So it's long. She long, okay? This texture feel kind of yucky, like a yucky texture, and it's a lot of hair. I ain't gonna kid you, it's a lot of hair, but it's like subtle highlights throughout the hair. It is giving what it's supposed to give. Stop playing. I'm knocking everything I can in the floor. So I'm gonna take my little comb and I'm just gonna comb through the hair lightly. Oh, it's giving us snags. I should use my other one. So I'm using my uni brush. This I got off the TikTok shop. So let's see if it can detangle this hair. And of course it can, because this brush is my favorite brush. If I can find it on Amazon, I will link it in the description section so you guys can use this brush. But when I kid you not, this brush eat down. Push the baby hairs into the hairline. I haven't tended the lace. This is what it's given, and this is what the hairline looks like once the baby hairs are pushed into the hairline. Okay, they said it's so thin, look like skin. I wouldn't say that it look like skin because it's like a tint to the lace, so y'all can clearly see this lace, and you can see that it's sticking up from my skin. If y'all can remove the tint on these laces, it been A1. So it goes from 350 to 400 degrees as far as putting heat on the hair. So I'm going to turn my hot comb up to 15. I'm going to take my cream foundation and just tint this lace with it. This is what it looks like once I tinted the lace. And like I said, I used level 13. I'm not going to use any wax or anything on this hairline as well, because it's not necessary. This is a lot of hair. I feel like I need to do an outfit change because now I feel underdressed. It's just freaking amazing. Stop playing with me. Just going in with a pair of scissors and we're just gonna chop. And I try to cut close because I don't have time to be blending all that extra lace. Oh, can I cut? This probably gonna fit around my ear perfectly. But that's because I do have the band adjusted in the back. But I wish YouTube let us listen to music and vibe out. Like, why if I want to do a talk through, I can't have no music playing. I'm just looking crazy. I'm telling you, with the wig process, you really gotta trust it because you gonna be looking crazy for the most part at first. It's just gonna be looking like who, what, and why until you get it together. Cause that's how mine stay looking. I'm like, ew. If it's somewhat decent in the center, so as far as wearing glueless, I probably would never because it doesn't feel as secure to me to wear it like that. So I'm going in with my Ebin. This is my favorite spray. It has biotin in it. I didn't even plug in my freaking dryer, bro. I'm just ahead of myself today. Alright, so now it's somewhat tacky. Yeah, if my finger can get stuck to it, it's time to lay it down. If you put your finger down and come back up, adds some more heat. And I normally put my blow dryer on the coolest heating setting, but you can use hot, you can use whatever works for you. Down and lay it where I placed that product at. And just lay that right into it. Alright, y'all, we got more. Stop choking me, please. Please. Now, I know a lot of you probably wonder why I don't use lace glue. It's because I don't know how to use that. Every time I use it, I'm pulling out my edges. Literally. I'm just gonna spray some on my finger and tap it on the lace. And I just do this to help that line of demarcation blend in a little bit better. Alright, so now it's time to put our elastic band on. Alright, y'all, we let this cook up for about 10 minutes. Ow! It was stuck to my real hair in the bag. Oh. Whoa. Alright, now these edges is crunchy up over here. It's giving Captain Crunch. It's crazy, like, it don't be nothing on TV no more. Like, back in the day, TV was lit. And now TV is like, why do I have a TV again? It ain't nothing up on there for me to watch. Now, look at this, y'all. Sensational. If you thinking that you about to sit up here and be getting a unit with no tangles, you done lost your mind. I don't know why a lot of people be delulu in their head and they be thinking that these synthetic units are supposed to act like virgin hair. Like, that's what bothers me. It's like, are y'all okay? You done lost your mind. That's not even realistic. This is what you would give if I decided to not put no baby hairs in there. And this is without me parting it or anything. But yeah, you get what you pay for. Just remember that, y'all. In the future, always remember you get what you pay for. Now if you paying $200 to $300 and your wig is doing this, you just done got. Because there's no way you should be paying $200 and $300 and your wig is acting like a synthetic one. Now, if you feel like it's a little bit shiny, you definitely can go in and add some dry shampoo. Y'all already know I just don't do that. I just don't care to. So I'm going to sit quietly and do these baby hairs real quick. And I'm going to hit y'all when I'm done. Alright, so did my baby hairs. They definitely dramatic today. And the parting space goes crazy on this wig. Of course it's a 13x6, so duh. But it goes deep into the yonder. It go way back here. I'm just hot comb it down some. Put a little hairspray. My little Sebastian hairspray. I love this for synthetic. I love this for virgin hair, but this for both, it gets the job done. This hair, I love it. I love it, but I just don't like for my roots to be that, to have that much volume. I just don't care for that much volume personally. All right, so I'm gonna go in with with the cream foundation in the shade 12, and I'm gonna use the lighter shade to define my part. This peekaboo color though eats. Don't play. It eats down. I wonder if y'all can hear the wind, bro. It's crazy. So this is the end of the video, and baby, this hair eats down. Okay, when I tell you guys it's giving what it's supposed to give, it's giving what it's supposed to give 100%. That wind out there, I love everything down from the texture of the hair, the color of the hair, the lace, the way it's plugged. Sensational did the dang thing. Okay, when I tell you they did it, they did it. Now, this is longer synthetic hair, meaning that it's gonna tangle, and I had to come to grips with that. Like, it's long, so it's gonna be more prone to tangling than my other synthetic units. As you guys can see, this it's long as crap. I want to give it a 10, but I know I can't give it a 10 because where it was tangling. As far as their BareLace, like thin, it looks like skin. I feel like you had to make it look like skin, and like I was saying throughout my video, I feel like if they had took that white cast, that white tint out of the lace, it would have ate. I love how it feels on my skin because honestly I can't feel it. Like, I don't feel like there's lace on my head. Like, Sensational did that with the dang lace. Would I get her again? Yes. I haven't got any tangling in the nape area yet, but that's probably because I got it separated. But I don't know if you guys don't wear it to the front, you wear it in the back, you're probably gonna get tangling. But it is gonna shed. Y'all know it's synthetic hair. But overall, y'all, she eat down. I don't care what nobody said. And if it wasn't for the tangling that I experienced with this unit, it would have been hardcore 10 out of 10. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're gonna pick it up and try it for yourself, because y'all know that's the way to do it. You can't take my word. You really have to try it for yourself and see what she gonna get. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.